Hello you guys, today I'm going to be reviewing my Code Studio / code.org the button game app. It's on App Lab, and this was actually for a school project, but I just wanted to show it to y'all. So it says the button game up here. That is somewhere you could type on. I didn't mean to make it somewhere you could type on. I'll fix it right now. But right here it says button, and then drop down of doom, and then of course it tells about my YouTube, so you can see the tutorial so you didn't get confused, because I know some parts can be confusing. So first off, you click the button. You blew up the only GTA 6 known. So sadly, you kind of just messed up there. But if you click back, you go to drop down to Doom. If you click don't click, he'll give you all this, but you can see some words down there. And if you click those words, it makes that sound, and there's a button. If you click it, if you keep clicking it, your entire screen turns white, and that button appears. You press the button, and there actually is no way to beat this, but it shrinks the thing to make it even harder. And as you go back down, boom! This is basically just honesty, because it says if your plane touched a bird, click this. You click it, and it says game over. Go back to start, and now you're back at the start. And if you click this, you have right here, there's this annoying sound. So it gives you time so you can search through all of the buttons. As you can see, most of them do nothing. I mean all of them except for one do nothing. But again, tiny little words right there. Right in between these 4 buttons that I'm clicking right now. You get to see it, and if you click on it, it sends you over here. And it says button game. Button and drop down to Doom. This drop down to Doom just clicks in this actual drop down. And if you click the button, it does nothing. You can still change the little title right there. But if you click error 404, it makes an error. If you click error, it makes that sound. It makes another one. And then if you click error again, if another error pops up and you click that, 2 more errors pop up. If you click one of them, it does nothing. But if you click this error, it sends you over here. In the next level, you need to find the 2 in the code to fix the error. This one is a little bit tedious because you have to look through all the code, but it's actually, whoa. This is not accessible for phone, but it's over there. On computer, it is on top. On top of the 2. So don't click the button, you click the circle, makes that sound. If you click it again, it changes the color. If you click it again, it changes the color again. Click it again, it changes the color. And finally, you click it one more time and it sends you this. You beat, click this. Now try another drop down option for more. If you go back, now you have, if you click play annoying music. But you can quickly go through another one. And go back over here where you could click, I messed up again, didn't I? Either way, you guys kind of see how fast it could go. If you go on, bro, I messed up again. Okay, now if you go over here and I'll click this, do all of this again. I think it's somewhere over here. You beat, click this. Now try another one. If you go back, you have this new more option, which is just this button that if you click it, it gives you this little thing that you can do. It takes a while. Another one that you have to go based off of honesty, where you kind of just build a castle. You build a castle, but it's hard since your mouse, I made it so your mouse is a little bit off, and you have to struggle kind of coordinating your touches and everything else. So look, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's really hard for you to try to build a castle, especially on mobile. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And after you're done with this, you've completely beaten the button game or button game / app, and that's it. The link to this will be in the description. It says once done, click me, and you're back at the beginning. And the link will be in the description. So, goodbye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and Mr. Current, if you find this tutorial, Yeah, I know it's a little bit off of what you said to do, but I kind of got distracted in today's last day to do it. Sorry. And bye.